You understand? Never thinking bad. You must believe on yourself. This is most important.
It's better you go out with him.
Okay.
He will give you a lot of information, just bits and pieces of it here in Valais and in Sion.
And he's the guardian?
Yeah, he's the guardian. When you go out and then you enter the door of the castle, and then there's a small chapel.
Put a little music.
Sure. Okay.
It's not modern. Okay. It's from the church. Yes. Do you like some explanation? I think you know you have in all place energy in the ground.
Here?
In all place, in all the world, you have energy,
right.
And you have some energy positive and other negative. In Valais, you have one of the most point of energy of Switzerland. The Valais is where you went before, the church, the basilica.
Oh, right over there?
Yes.
Oh.
It's a very strong energy.
Okay, yeah. I stay in Sierre, is that?
Yes, not in Sierre, in the underground lake, for example, is also with energy.
Right.
Excuse me, I don't do it normally, but you receive very good energy.
Me?
Yes. But you have, excuse me, I do it to test you, but you receive a lot of energy, so you are also able to give energy. But for the energy, when you don't feel energy, you must yourself begin to be concentrated about yourself. And when you feel this after, you begin also to feel when you're in a place where it is full of energy. The stone from Valais, it's the origin Africa. Here you are in Europe, and when you are on the other side, you are in Africa. And when you will get energy from the ground, the best is go to the catted tree, an old tree, because the roots are very deep and you feel it better.
What kind of tree?
A very old tree, when they cut it, the roots are very deep, and when you go up, you feel it better. Where the church are built, it was the men, we said Sourciers, the men looking for the water. He searched the energy and he said, here you must build it. You know, he has a branch like this with two branches, and he keep like this, and suddenly when he feel a little, it's like an amplification. In the front it's moving like this. And he look and he said, here you must do it. For example, now you said to me you have something, and without, for example, you are here, and without also I do like this, and I speak. And you don't feel it, but your body receives energy. And after, your body knows better than all the doctors in the world, your body. So they can repair it. You give only the energy that's coming from outside. Right. You are only the liaison between when you do God, or what you will, and the other man or other woman. It's not your energy. The man or the woman receiving it has enough energy to repair himself or herself the sickness. It's like you can do, for example, after when people are sick. Don't forget something. Everything what you do is good. Now you help people with energy only to help. It's good. It's not for the money. Some people send you energy. Your body knows it. The subconscious, you know all.
And they can send bad energy, or they can send good energy.
The bad energy, yes, they send also, but when you are strong enough, it's no problem. And don't forget, try to do this, and after you look, maybe you can help people.
Yeah.
Excuse me, because I look in the face, and the face cannot lie. And therefore I ask you if you're positive or negative.
I feel judged a lot. So.
Every people judge themselves. Also you judge me, it's normal.
Yeah.
But you can judge me. What you like, I'm Mario, I'm like me. Sure, I was like you before. I had an accident, I was near dying, and I'm here. But I work a lot to have confidence of myself. And after, for the rest. But first is myself. It's me. I am responsible of myself, my body must follow. And so you are strong and you can do what you like. Not at the beginning. It's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
Yourself. This is very, very important. You must be happy with yourself.
Yeah.
Not with your body, with yourself. And when you are out of your body, you must do the best with it, but it's yourself. This is what you received first. And this must be allowed to be the best, but be the highest. Are you sure I'm existing? No. But you're sure you exist. And therefore, you must be yourself and not like the other people to believe all. You must believe on yourself. This is the most important. You must be strong. It's not to be better than the other, but to be strong, to be yourself. You have your character, you are yourself. I don't know your name, but you are yourself, you understand? And this is the most important in the life. The rest is not important. The rest is what you are feeling, but it's not every day the same. This is important. Because I found damage for you to be so with problems in the head. It's no problem in the life. What do you need? Work, or study when you study, to be successful, the drinks, the food, to sleep, and to have friends. It's finished. The rest is automatic. Excuse me to say this, but think of you first, and not of your body, and not of your knowledge. Think of you. And when you can do this, you think about me, and you say, he was not so bad, this guy. You don't think so?
You?
No, you don't think so. You think it when you are once, like this. And you don't take care about the thinking of the other people about you. So you are shining because you are happy with yourself. That's real. Because at the beginning you are a bit like this.
Me?
Yes, excuse me. And now you are shining. When you are like with me now, smiling and this, they say, oh, what happened with you? You are good. You understand?
Right.
And this is good, and after it's helping you to continue in this way.
Right.
I know. Therefore, when you are like this, you are open, the people will be open with you.
Right.
You understand?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Because for me, you have a nice character. You understand? And I like when you shine more, like now. Now you shine, truly. And you must not go to the hospital to operate here. But this is your character. You understand?
Uh-huh.
And sure, it's beautiful. Sure, it's beautiful. So, yourself. So you are good in the heart, good in the body. You are good in all places because you are yourself. And this is important. Don't forget it. Excuse me to say this, I'm not so good, but I think you accept it because you understand me.
Yeah.
I like to help people, and you need to be helped. And I will be happy when only something is coming to help you.
Yeah.
When I see you once within the States, I don't know whether, and I recognize you, I will speak with you again about what happened.
Okay. Yeah.
Because you must do this. You are yourself and not another. You, I will not forget you. And truly, it's damage you are in the States because of the way. I will call you, I will see you to understand what I mean?
Yeah.
It's wonderful. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
No, I say thank you to you.
Okay.
It's good. Very good.